Be sure to wear safety glasses and protective clothing when working with the vehicle fuel system. Only begin work when the vehicle's engine has cooled. Caution: make sure there are no sparks or open flames in the vicinity. Take a moment to review the tools needed for the removal and installation of a fuel filter. When finished, select Next to continue. Select each step to learn how to remove a fuel filter. When finished, select Next to continue. When possible, relieve the pressure in the fuel system at the Schrader valve on the fuel rail. Prior to disconnecting a fitting, place a rag over the fitting to deflect or absorb any spray from the pressurized fuel system. Thoroughly clean the inlet and outlet fittings. Place a drain tray beneath the filter to catch any fuel that drains from the filter when it is disconnected. Use the appropriate tool to remove the retaining clips with quick connection fittings. Always make sure to use the appropriate line or open-ended wrenches with threaded connection fittings. Place a rag over a fitting prior to disconnecting it to deflect or absorb any spray from the pressurized fuel system. Slowly twist and pull apart the filter to line connection and collect the fuel that drains from the open lines and filter. If necessary, cap the fuel lines until the new filter is ready for installation. Remove the retaining bracket and the fuel filter. Select each step to learn how to install a fuel filter. When finished, select Next to continue. First, determine the correct filter orientation. Any arrows should point toward the engine. Add a little fuel or petroleum jelly on both filter fittings. This helps the hoses to slide over them easily. Add the retaining clips, if equipped, so that the hoses do not slide off. If the vehicle uses clamps, they should be tightened at this time. Fully seat the inlet and outlet hoses on the filter. Reinstall any mounting brackets. Start the engine and check for leaks. Once the filter installation is complete, clean the work area and dispose of any waste material according to hazardous waste guidelines.